Hello friends, welcome to Learning Times. Today I'm going to teach how to write an VLOOKUP in Excel. Before that, let me explain what is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is if when you need to find the things in a table or a range by a row based on the current data, that we call it as a VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is nothing but vertical lookup, and let me write the VLOOKUP formula here. You can see I have a model and latest version, and you can see there are 37 records of models, and I need to get the latest version for those. And also I have one more extract. You can see this is the database extract, and here I have models around. I have 184 models and the latest version and support expiry and support expiry date, but I need only the latest version, and I can't search one by one models uh, into this file because it takes a lot of time, and that's when we use the VLOOKUP. First, let me explain what is VLOOKUP by writing the formula. You can see VLOOKUP lookup value. Lookup value means the data based on what we need to get the output. That value you have to select. And next is lookup array, sorry, table array. Table array is nothing but the data, and make sure the first column which you are selecting, that should match with the first lookup value which you have selected, and select the range which data you want. I want the latest expiry, so I'm selecting the range of A and B. And the output column, it is in second column from the A column, means the first column which you have selected. Think that if you want expiry date, I have to select from here to here, and expiry date is in the fourth column from the first column, so I have to put 4 then. Now here I have selected only the 2 column, so enter 2. Then we want the exact match. Exact match means you have to enter 0. Okay, then close the bracket, enter. You can see we got the data. Then we have to drag this till the end. Just double click. See, we got the data. This is how we write VLOOKUP in Excel, guys, and this is very easy, and it's very useful for the corporate employees to do their daily jobs very easily. And also this is the basic skill many of them knows, and especially it's very useful for the freshers as well. And Excel is a basic skill, it's required for everyone. It's good to learn the Excel skills and all kind of formulas. And even though if you are not using in your corporate, still it will be useful for your future. Good to have a hands-on knowledge of Excel. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.